Good morning, YouTube. Oh. Ooh, what just happened there? Ooh, that was very jumpy. Oh my days. Did we just have any news coming or anything? No, it just moved very quick. Jesus, I thought we were gonna run off them. It's gonna be like, damn. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Gold. Yeah, not really a good 5 minute closure, to be honest. You have to chill and wait. Could just be a top wick to drive down, tap the lows of the range. So we're gonna have to wait now. Right, who we got in the chat then? So my plan would be closes above sort of 400s, 380s, a lot of time frame, or as we break this level with a solid entry. But ideally, if we can get a solid 5 minute closure, it'd be a good opportunity to get into a trade. You shall see. Alright, who have we got in here today? Yeah, I need to see a closure, otherwise I'm gonna have to take it like re-break of the highs, which is not really ideal. But if we get a nice 5 minute closure, then I can get involved. Or if we start breaking. If we start breaking above the highs, then obviously we're just got to get involved in it. But if we don't, then I'll be looking for a decent little 5 minute closure.
listen to our new single, Underneath My Raincoat.
Yeah, in order for me to get in on this 5, it's got to close above. So around 380s ish. Yeah, it's decent at 5-minute closure there. I mean, if we can re-break the highs now at this stage, then we should be good. We'll see. Yeah, we'll need to see some decent volume in order for this to continue up. Let's wait and see. Right, who we got in the YouTube? What you lot saying? If we can break 431, I think we're going to be alright. If it can't, then we're going to have to sort of manage this trade. Oh, we hopefully should get a little push. We hope. Right, YouTube, why are you not so quiet? I'm gonna say hello, morning or anything. I'm not even in Slack up yet. So yeah, my initial target will be around 600s. Be my sort of first point of target for myself, and then see if we can leave something up to like 800s, sort of a higher time frame play up to like 800s. But 600s would be the first target for myself. Yeah, I really want to see this try and break the previous high. Otherwise, we're gonna have a bit of a mare here if not. Right, we've got 6 minutes to 1 hour to close. As long as it doesn't close like really strong bearish, then we should be alright. Because we've got nice clean candles on the 1 hour, so we would expect expect that clean move up. But we just need more volume to come in. But based on an hourly, it looks pretty good to me. Can the last 5 minutes give us a push? Have to see at this 400 level though. We should break through. Last 5 can always do a little bit of a peak one, so we'll have to keep an eye. Definitely feel more comfortable once we break that high. Yeah, I know we're breaking the highs, so we should be right now. Should be alright. So yeah, like I say, sort of 600s would be my initial first target, and then we'll see based off my plan. Yeah, I mean, we might see a nice little push here in the last 5 minutes, to be fair. We can get to 600s, that would be nice. Get to break even. Let's see what's up. But I don't see no reason why we can't get 600s, even if it's in the next candle. Right, YouTube, come on. Not even get a hello, good morning. Anyone in any trades, anything? Yeah, as long as it's 5 minutes, don't start flipping up. They shouldn't do now that we've started to push. I'd expect this to, or at least close this dirty bullish. Sort of into 400s is still cool. Still a solid looking 1 hour closure, as long as we don't start closing weak. I'd like this to be decent. We get push sort of before the closure, but not always does it do that. I should, the way the 5 minutes setting up look like I wanted to do that. But yeah, based on the 5 minute, we've got some nice clean moves up to like 600, so that's where I'd be looking to secure something. And then I think for the day, I mean, based on the 4 hour, we are pretty good up to 800s, to be honest. So that's where we gotta wait and see. Yeah, we haven't really moved too much yet. I'd expect a retracement though, before the close of the candle, and do that as well. But then we have to expect the next candle to continue that move. Yeah, nice chilled songs to be in a trade, isn't it? Just talking to myself. No, the mesh is done. But yeah, we're still getting a decent 30-minute closure here. So last minute, so I would still expect this to continue. As long as we don't have a hammering down this last 30 seconds. Yeah, ideally I want this 1 hour, everything closing bullish. Because if this 30 can't close above that resistance, we're going to have not a very nice time. Ooh, no. Because if we can't really close above, not much point being in this trade. Alright, let's close an eye. There's a decent 1 hour close, decent 30-minute close, 15 closed above, 5 minute. Yeah, I see no reason why this can't just go now. We've got 70 in volume 2. So if we're gonna go, just go. Oh yes. That's what I like to see. Right, 600's the first target. But yeah, now we've really sort of broken the highs, started driving up. I'd expect this counter to keep driving, to be fair. Yeah, we just need a little bit more and then we should be decent. I'm up about 30 in a minute, so we'll see. See if we can get 600s. 62, 600 would be a nice little first target for the day. I feel we're in a good position now. That hopefully this doesn't need to necessarily come back to make any sort of lower wick, but if it does, that's alright. But I would expect, because of the clean candle to the left on the 1 hour, like I say, 600 should be no problem by the, it's the first 3 minutes of the hour. So I would expect 600 is going to be no issues. And then based on the higher time frame, I mean, we got room all the way up to 800, 63. So it's all dependent on sort of where your targets are. We've got a little level here, yeah, we've got a little area here around for 570s as well, so we'll just watch that. But like I say, 1 hours, etc. We should drive up at this stage. I think we've created that support. Looking left, we created resistance here last time to drive down, and now creating support. I would expect us to get to 800s today, to be fair. I at least want to be break even sort of by 600s would be my plan. But yeah, it'd be nice to see this keep driving. Yeah, we've got a little range sort of between 480s and 600. So that's kind of not really worried about the 5 sort of ish. So yeah, I would expect this to head up 600s. We are not far off. Just a bit more GJ. Approaching 0.600, we are approaching target. We are approaching target. It's a peak 5 minute, but yeah, hopefully if this 5 minute flips up, then we should be alright. This hasn't really made a top wick yet. As long as this isn't a Mazza 5 minute rejection candle. Because it didn't give me my 600.
Have an idea for a song after listening to your favorites? Try Soundtrap, the online music studio by Spotify. Soundtrap gives you the right tools to make your song come alive. Whether you consider writing your first song or you're still thinking about
I've got
your
no
next hit,
Donald or anyone today on the Zoom.
never lose an idea. Subscribe now and get a 1 month free trial.
Yeah, if this 5 minute flips up, 600.
Your Everywhere Studio by Spotify.
Incoming. Yeah, if this 5 minutes starts flipping up, just see you later. It's a see you later type thing. We'll get to 600 no problem. Come on, GJ, keep that volume going. Oh, hey.
Good morning.
Good morning, brother. How are
I'm
you?
sorry, man. I got a little sleepy.
No, you're right, mate. You're right.
How
You're all
is
good.
everything?
Yeah, I'm just in. I'm in some buys at the minute. It's been a bit slow now, but
See, from yesterday it's a bit dead. Nothing is moving much.
yeah. I mean, GJ did a nice little thing overnight,
Yeah.
but I'm sort of expecting this to continue up a little bit more, and I can bag something, get to break even. Then we should be alright.
Yeah, that's possible.
Should be pretty nice.
Still, today we have even no news, nothing. Today is
No. So we should be alright to clean up. It's not liking that this 5 minute, is it? Come on, GJ. Give me that push, man. 'Cause I don't really want to see this 30. You have to retrace and make a bottom wick. That's all a bit long. You know what I mean?
130.
Let's see what this 5 does in the last minute here. So if we I want to see this. I want to see this drive decent. To be fair. I don't have to close and then re-enter. You know what I mean? I want to see this.
Yeah, move on the first time.
Yeah, because I'm literally, my target's at like really 0.600 sort of, so I'm literally not far away, which is a bit annoying. Because it's kind of like, you know, it could close a little bit before, but it's just not ideal. It's the last 5 of the 15, so hopefully should drive up. Looks like we're just building a bit of consolidation. But I want to see this continue, man. I don't want to have to. Because if this starts flipping up and starts driving down, not ideal. I ain't even really break even yet, so it's not even
It seems like it has done a really good push.
I want this to drive, man. It's not driving.
Yeah, it could go to 63.
Oh yeah, I think well, to be honest, 62,800 is a nice target for the session, 100%. But yeah, 63 for the day. Yeah, 63 for the day makes a lot of sense. Right.
Oh, it could do a big rejection and come back to 61.8.
Yeah, this should drive now. I'm not far off securing something, so.
You are in a buy?
Yeah, I've been in a buy since about 6:30.
Okay.
Is that your alarm?
Yeah, it was my alarm. I use like 5 or 4 alarms.
Oh really? Yeah, I'm the same.
Yeah, sometimes I don't really hear it, bro. Or I just close it with my subconscious and I will like, what the heck happened? Why didn't it come?
Yeah. Right, fuck it. I've bagged something up. I ain't even trying to play it. Right, I'm gonna put stops to break even and then see if we can get this run to my targets. Because once you break 600, should be alright for. Should be alright all the way up to 800. So I might as well just let this do its thing now. At least I've got something in the bag, and then I can let the rest chill.
Yeah, I think the new 15-minute candle might retrace the bit and then push higher and higher.
Yeah, just the problem is I hate when the 30 makes no wick. So in my head I'm like, and the 1 hour I'm thinking, if this comes back to make a wick, you know, that's going to stop me and then it's going to run. So I don't want to have nothing on the table left. It's typical though, isn't it, that it's now driving. Tapman's target. Oh well. Profit's profit at the end of the day.
Yeah, that's most important.
But yeah, if this is a flyer up to like 800s, then we're doing alright for the day. That'll be 3rd win for the week. No losses again.
The streak continues.
Yeah, I bagged like 120, so I got 120 in the profit, and then if this runs up to 800s, then I'm laughing. I think for the day, yeah, 63 would be. 63 would be an easy play.
Yeah, it's starting to push.
I'll also leave this on there like that. So leave this on there like that. Right, let me just one sec, Donald. I just want to see if what I did yesterday's fixed the mic. So just talk for me, yeah, when I say yeah. Right, start talking now.
Okay.
Just start talking random shit.
Okay. Yep. Push, DJ, push. Go, DJ.
Oh, I can't. You know what? I can't really tell if it's worked or not. I think it has.
What's wrong with my mic?
You just sound a bit. No, it's not your mic. It's something on the Streamlabs. It's not as bad as it was yesterday, which is good. But it was kind of like really echoey, basically. Yeah. So I was a bit like.
Maybe the echo continues to the YouTube stream.
Yeah. No. It did Tuesday stream, but on this one it's alright. It's not too bad. It's actually okay. So it's fine. It's a lot less. Wilksy, yeah, quiet one, mate. I know. I had a few people, yeah, and I was saying I'm not even gonna get like a morning or a hello or anything. No one said a word. So what can I say? I mean, if they were listening up, I mean, look at the GJ monster that we would be. They would be in right now.
Yeah, they would be happy. They would be whoa.
Yeah, man. I know. But you know, they're too busy just trying to copy someone else, innit?
Yeah.
Whereas getting some proper education. But yeah, we tapped that 600 anyway, so I definitely would have bagged something up by now. It's just a case of letting this one lot see if we can run now, because obviously I'm already up for the week, decent amounts. I'm thinking 2 targets for myself is going to be see if we can get up to 800s, and then ultimately see if we can push the 63s would be nice. So yeah, around there, but it's tapped that 600 and it is not liking it, so we got to chill on that. Yeah, I was looking at sort of plays on gold, very similar. Exact same place, remember, below 1965. It's literally done the same thing what I entered in last time, but just couldn't be getting in on gold at the same time today because I was really trying to monitor GJ. Yeah, the problem we've got with GJ is where we started to sort of fake out, it easily could have come down to the lows of the range and sort of retest that deeper 4-hour liquidity area we got in here. So obviously getting in sort of over here, you had to allow this to push straight into profit and then do its thing. Otherwise, you know, I had to really monitor GJ quite closely. Whereas gold, if I was getting involved with gold, then yeah, I mean, I would have probably been in literally the same entry as last time in this area. Breaks of that low there, stops probably either here or here, and then your gain targets would have been sort of 1962.5ish. So yeah, that'd been a real nice pusher there. So yeah, gold played nice, man. So I could have had another real win on gold as well, actually, but I thought GJ was sort of what I've been planning for a little while now. Came to my little area of interest, got involved, bagged up some profits. Now we let her run and run. But my annoying only concern is that 30 with no wick. I hope we don't need to come back before open to make that wick, otherwise I'm going to be pissed. But yeah, if you look at gold though, gold was sweet, man. Gold was sweet. You know, the minute you start seeing breaks of your 1 hour support levels and then it starts to create resistance, fucking get involved, man. Get involved. I mean, look at that. You literally, from there, you probably had 0 drawdown, literally. But yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know if you're still there, Kelsey, but the streak continues, bro. The streak continues. I think it's like a 9 streak for me now. I think it's 8 or 9 streak. Oh, that's pretty good. That's actually probably my longest I've gone without a loss. But I don't wanna jinx it and start fucking taking losses the rest of the week. I know. Can't think like that. We just turn up to the chart, we plan our trades, we execute, and we deal with it afterwards. But mate, gold is on a flyer, man. Yeah, it's a bit annoying, like only a couple people on the stream, man. They're missing out. I'm telling you. And we called like you could have got 20 pips from my entry. See, the thing is, I'm not like, especially for those watching this back, this isn't the old HFX that would be like getting in here, here's my, like, I'm not spoon feeding no one, right? What you understand is I'll be discussing what I'm looking for, specific entry requirements, and if you see those things come up, and you got to listen to what I'm saying. So I was saying at the time, I was like, yeah, if this 5 minute does this, I'll be getting involved with stops below here, and then we could easily get to 600. Those who understand that language, and it's not spoon feeding or giving signals like these other guys, right? You'd understand and you would know, right, okay, this is a good option coming up. You know what I'm saying? And that's the difference. But yeah, I'm just hoping before open we can, or even with open, we can continue this move. But this is doing a little bit what I was worried about, which was going to come back and potentially make a wick, which would be no fun.
Yeah, I can always re-enter.
Yeah, I can always re-enter, but I only secured not enough of my position. That's the only annoying thing. Usually I would be closing the full thing at 600, but I've thought to myself, yeah, this is what I wanted to see from a higher time frame trade up to sort of 63s and 62 800s. So that's why I was like, I can let a piece of that run. But if this is gonna move nasty, then don't know, could look for more entries in a bit to sort of play the higher time frame play. I'll just move that for a sec. Yeah, 600s, it did not like. Yeah, see the line's on point, man. Look at that. I said 600 is where we're going to see a reaction, but how bad, we don't even know. It all depends on this 30 close, and the 1 hour's got no bottom wick as well. But the only annoying thing is that we just got clean candles here, right? So this is what I was expecting. Okay, we're probably going to get a little bit of hoo-ha within here, but as long as we respect whatever supports and don't start smashing down, we'll just continue on our merry way up to 800s.
Imagine how it would feel to win £10,000.
But we never know with GJ, man.
You could win £10,000 every month for 30
Never ever know. You know, that just, if this rejects like that, there's not much confidence. Not confidence that we won't go up, but it's a case of, is this actually a rejection now? More support needed before we go up, because this come down pretty heavy. You know what I mean? If we need to come back to make that wick, I'm gonna be pissed, because that was my biggest thing. I was just thinking at 7, just make the wick, drive up, we won't have any problem. Oh my days, yeah, that's what I'm saying. 600s. It's a dead one, man. It's an annoying one. It's funny, am I going to walk out of this with 120 profit? I'm Oh, I'm hoping it'll be alright. I'm hoping that it's not gonna do me like that. It's looking like it, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it's coming down hard still.
It might be a liquidity grab.
Yeah, could be, but then it has to stop somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it might continue down. Do big rejection on the 4 hour and to push down.
Last 5 minutes of this 30. So I mean, all I can say is as long as we get support on the 5, then we're right. We won't be coming back.
Yeah.
But it all depends. Did you get buys, Kelsey? I don't know. It's probably. I would have thought so. I would have thought you'd be in that. It looks like one of yours. Oh no, but you don't trade Wednesdays. Oh shit. Yeah, of course. It's a bit of a peak one.
Why don't trade Wednesday, bro?
I think he just like his data suggests that basically he has a higher losing rate on a Wednesday, so he just decided like it's better to just stay out, which makes sense. At the end of the day, your data is your data.
Yeah.
Obviously, I don't really like. Yeah. Huh?
If you have a losing streak on Wednesday, why you should trade on Wednesday?
No, absolutely. Oh man, this is coming back. Oh, GJ's a dead one today. Yep. Why, man? Why? It's a straight up rejection. I don't really want to have to enter in again though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we take it easy. We see what's gonna happen.
It's a dead 30 closure though, man. This even could flip. This flips, this would be a heavy rejection, man.
Yeah. Depends on where it's gonna go.
Oh yeah, I'm well close to getting stopped. Look at that. Go on. Flip this 5 minute. Flip the 5 minute. Yeah, it's flipped the 5 minute.
Now it's rejecting there.
It didn't even come back to make a wick. Why?
Let's see when the 30 minutes open.
Yeah, 30-minute open is going to be key.
Maybe one of 30 minutes it pushes down, then rejects it and comes back up.
But that's going to, that might tap me out and then go, which I'll be pissed. I won't be very.
Better than have a lot.
Yeah, it's better than having lost, but then it means I could have secured some more profit here today, which.
Yeah, you can re-enter and get the rest of the profit.
Yeah, it depends though. We may just smash down from it. We may not get that opportunity. Who knows, man? I have to say, it's not looking keen, is it?
At the moment, no.
No. The thing is, if this 30 like flips and then starts faking out, it's gonna be a tough game, man. I'm telling you. With a candle like that, that's a rejection, man. That's a serious rejection. That is not to be played with. Like, you can say, yeah, we might fill the wick, but wick fills for me are when you get a strong body close with a wick to fill. You're gonna fill the wick, but that is a rejection. So the only way to fill a rejection is we need a support to form. Right, if that is the wick, then just turn around. Right, it's made a wick now, so what excuse it needs now, I don't know. Go on, last minute, drive up. Drive up. Go on, drive up last minute. Keep me in this trade. No. Oh, it's taking me out. Pissed.
Did it top you out?
Yeah. Yeah, that is not a nice looking candle. It's the only. I knew it. I knew we were gonna have an issue because it did not have a bottom wick. There we go. Well, that was that. At least I got yeah, I came out with like 120. Could have got way more than that, to be honest. Bit of a poor entry. Not poor entry, sorry, poor exit. Poor exit plan. Yeah, the other thing as well is even if I was to re-enter, I'd have to see a 5-minute candle engulfing the previous to even consider the option of targeting the wick this again. But the way this is, this could easily just go through the screen now. Go all the way down now. Like I was saying, the problem was from our 4-hour perspective, we haven't come back into this zone, and we could easily see that before that. We could just be creating the targets above this area for then us to form later on, which does seem the case a little bit right now. I've seen this type of thing before. That if that 1 hour close that is not a joke. Right, anyway, I'm gonna go make some drink.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a shame we haven't had more people, man. It's gonna take a while to build back up, but I would have thought we'd have a couple.
Yeah. Just keep hopes up. We continue to do our things and they will come. Oh, he took it.
Yeah, I may give it another shot, but I'm gonna have to see a solid support forming, to be honest. More downside. After seeing a downside rejection again, then it might be worth another little shot. We'll see. So I may just get in with what I risked, or what I had last time on the plate, and then see what we can do.
Yeah.
But like, I wouldn't get in, let's say if we just saw a wick and then a little small body 5-minute. Yeah, you might get away with it, but chances are it's going to be still a tough one. I mean, for me,
yeah, because you can push again down.
Yeah, annoyingly for me, it's going to have to sort of engulf something for me to be like, yeah, cool, we're heading back up. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at the same time, we could still fill this to the upside. Yeah, cool. But we need to see decent confirm. We need to see very decent. Yeah.
And how the other 5 minutes gonna move.
Man, I'm thirsty. I need a drink. Yeah, now to be honest, it's looking like gold was the better option.
Yeah. Gold is a good support over there.
Yeah, it's tough now though. 4 hour, you had clean down to like sort of 1959, 100%. It was the 1 hour that basically we're looking at sort of breaks of this and then looking to get in below this yellow line here. So sort of between here and here was going to be tough, but then below there you had the opportunity to sort of get to this little area here. That's what I'll be looking at. Because kind of the move is done on gold. Unless it pulls back and gives you some more solid resistance, it's going to be a tough one.
It's a hard one though.
But yeah, I think 6:30 is quite a nice time to start the stream, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I will join tomorrow from 6:30.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, in theory, you probably in technical theory, until this 30's closed, we could still end up down here. Do you know what I mean? That's that is the problem. So you have to then think, okay, what would it form like if it was gonna go down? What would it form like if it was gonna go up? Like, in order for us to go up, we need to see that, this rejection wick, and then a strong candle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I mean, we'd want it sort of at least sort of closing above there would be nice, but then we've got this little area here that we could sort of react off and then start coming down. So this is where it gets tough, man. This is where it gets tough. Gotta be careful. But if you believe we're going to continue up, then get involved. The only other thing I think is if this 5 minute sort of close is bullish, you have the opportunity to maybe get in off this 5 minute and then sort of watch this level here. And if we just start failing from there, then yeah, done. Be out. It's not going to work.
Or wait for the 5 minutes, next 5 minutes to open, to create a bottom weight, to break the previous 5 minutes, and it has a higher chance.
Morning, Dennis.
Morning, Dennis. Welcome, welcome.
I'm just thinking I could have done way better with that trade. Yeah, I probably missed out on like a fair bit because I was well up over sort of 200 on that trade, but it's one of them, and you know, you're trying to push to higher time frame target. It's always likely it's going to sort of come back, stop you at break even before continuing.
Yeah, before pushing higher.
GGL is like a spent force, doesn't it? Yeah, I can't be getting involved on Fight 5 personally.
Imagine how it'd feel to win £10,000.
Bloody adverts, man. Shout out.
£10,000 every month for 30 years.
Let's see how it goes though.
Play on the app. Prize may be capped. Account terms, rules, procedures, and game-specific rules apply. Players must be 18 or over.
Yeah, I don't really rate. If it wasn't for that heavy rejection, it'd be pretty nice to be getting involved, but it's just, you know, this last 5 minute can do as well. But the 15's closing bullish. Right. Do you know what? I'm gonna end the YouTube actually, you know.
Okay.
I'm gonna call it a day on the YouTube, but I'll keep the Zoom on for a little bit. Alright, so YouTube, thanks very much for watching. We're gonna shoot off now. So we've got to work soon and that. And we've done our bit. For the day. So yeah. Thanks very much everyone. Make sure you like the stream if you're rewatching. Yeah, take care. And see everyone tomorrow. Take care.